welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah, and on my channel I do beauty related videos. For today's video I am doing this beautiful Valentine's look, and yeah, I'm using the Naked Tutorials palette, and it's also my first time using body art. It's from the brand Tag. So yeah, it's my first time using it, and I'm gonna use it in this video. So if you want to see how I got this eye look, then please stay and watch. Alright, let's move on to the video. So we're starting off by applying the deep purple shade in the Naked Tutorials palette, which is called Slasher. And we're basically using this and tapping it into the crease. And that's where I want my eyeshadow to be the darkest. I'm switching brushes, so I start off with the Essence Smoky Eye brush. And now I'm going to go into the BH Cosmetics Fluffy brush. And this is basically to blend out those edges because I will be applying another shade on top and I don't want there to be any patchiness. Next up, I am applying the red shade called Makai, and I am basically applying that all over my crease. I am then blending that into the purple. I then go into the pink shade, which is called Blend and Snap. It is a lighter pink, so I will be applying this around the red shade. And this basically is going to be my transition shade, so when I blend that shade out, it will look all put together. Then I'm just taking a little bit more of Slasher just to deepen it in, since, you know, a little bit of the pigmentation has gone away. Next up, I'm taking my micellar water and a Q-tip, and I'm cutting out my crease. Then I'm going to take my P.louise base and I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease. I did fast forward this part because I don't know why it takes so long to cut my crease. I know voiceovers are less fun with me, but I just don't have the energy every time I do voiceovers. So I'm sorry if I'm not giving you guys good vibes right now. Alright, next up I'm taking my Tag body paint and I'm getting the light purple shade in there. And I'm going to apply that around where I cut my crease, just following the crease line. Yeah, just beautiful purple liner. I'm going to go in with that purple shade and the red shade, so Slasher and Makai. I'm blending those two in the outer corner of my lid. I am taking Roxy Catan, which is, oh wait, am I? I don't even know if I took that. Did I take that? I don't think I took that. I took Pride. What am I saying? I took Pride, which is kind of like pink and purple. It is so beautiful on the lid. I was really out here telling y'all I was putting on another shade. I'm done. Then I take the same eyeliner and I'm just, I'm lining with that one. Which I kind of did like how it looked, but then at the same time I didn't like it. I felt like I should have added like black liner underneath, like for my lashes, because it just felt so empty when I applied lashes on later on. I forgot, I take the shade Ivy and I'm just applying that in the under the brow bone. Okay guys, so I am back. So I did have a few issues with lashes, like I always do, but this time it was different. This time it was just that like it was too out and I had to like push it a little bit in the lash, so I had to remove it and then put it back on to move it just a little bit over here. But the weird thing is that I didn't even need lash glue. I guess since like it already has glue, I just had like, I was just like I took it off and then I put it back on to see where I was gonna put it, and then I go to like take it off and then it was like already stuck, and I was like, oh well. I guess I'm just gonna leave it there. Hopefully it doesn't fall out, like, you know, just randomly. But yeah, So that is all for today's video. Oh, let me give you a little close-up. I'm probably gonna record one of I'm probably gonna record my eyes, but in case I don't, here's a close-up of my eyes. I really do like the look that I did today. Like, oh, it's so pretty. It's such a cute Valentine's look. Like, I feel like sometimes people forget that for Valentine's they also incorporate like a lavender, or not, is it like a lavender? Not really a lavender, but it's just a very muted purple. I don't like lilac. So like they incorporate purples, pinks, and reds, and sometimes we forget about that, and even white. And I was thinking of adding white eyeliner, but I was really like intrigued in using like this purple eyeliner. So hopefully it photographs like really pretty. So yeah, remember to like, comment down below, and subscribe. Also ring that notification bell if you want to see my future videos, and have a great day. Bye guys.